Hello there, and welcome again. Step into clear, confident financial English through the use of essential phrasal verbs used in workplace communication. Let's dive straight into customer service. Deal with definition. To handle a customer issue or request. Synonym, handle, example. The support team deals with customer complaints promptly and professionally. Sort through definition. To review and organize customer issues or data. Synonym, review, example. The agent sorted through multiple support tickets to prioritize urgent cases. Get back to definition. To respond to a customer after initial contact. Synonym, respond, example. We will get back to you within 24 hours with an update. Look into definition. To investigate a problem or complaint. Synonym, investigate, example. The team is looking into the billing discrepancy. Come back to definition. To revisit a customer or issue later. Synonym, revisit, example. I will come back to you once I have more information. Work through definition to systematically resolve an issue. Step by step. Synonym, resolve, example. The agent worked through the issue with the customer patiently. Clear up definition. To resolve confusion or misunderstanding. Synonym, clarify. Example, let me clear up any confusion regarding your subscription. Go over definition. To review details with a customer. Synonym, review. Example, the consultant went over the service agreement with the client. Walk through definition. To guide a customer step by step. Synonym, guide, example. The technician walked the customer through the installation process. Reach back out definition. To reconnect with a customer after a previous interaction. Synonym, recontact. Example, we will reach back out once the issue is resolved. Pass on definition. To transfer information or a request to another team. Synonym, forward. Example, I will pass this on to our technical department. Handover definition. To transfer responsibility for a case. Synonym, transfer, example. The case was handed over to a senior specialist. Escalate to definition. To refer a problem to a higher authority. Synonym, elevate, example, the issue was escalated to management due to its urgency. Check on definition. To follow up on a customer or issue. Synonym, monitor, example. The team checked on the client to ensure satisfaction. Touch base with definition. To briefly reconnect with a customer. Synonym, connect, example. I just wanted to touch base with you regarding your request. Wait on definition. To serve or assist a customer. Synonym, serve, example. The representative waited on the client during the onboarding process. See to definition. To ensure a request or problem is handled. Synonym, attend to, example. We will see to your request immediately. Iron out definition. To resolve minor issues or difficulties. Synonym, resolve, example. The team worked to iron out the remaining issues. Put through definition. To connect a customer to another person. Example, via phone. Synonym, connect, example. I will put you through to our billing department. Queue up definition. To place requests in a waiting line for processing. Synonym. Line up, example. Your request has been queued up and will be handled shortly. If you found this useful, feel free to like and share. Also, add your own in the comment box, and just in case I don't see you again, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night.